Best regard tutor and classmates. I continue the video 2 for the activity 4. Unit 1. Speaking. You are looking for an apartment to rent. The relator is asking you the following questions. Which apartment do you like better, the 4-room or the 5-room? I like the 5-room apartment more. Why do you prefer that neighborhood? Because it is a very quiet and beautiful neighborhood. What do you want wooden floors for? Because the wooden floor is a beautiful and fashionable. Do you want a screened patio or a pool? I want a patio with a pool. Wouldn't you prefer a lake front unit? The view is nicer. They are also more expensive. Not because it is more expensive. Speaking. Situation 1. Tell us about a situation in your life that started some time ago and continues to happen. Then tell us about another situation which does not continue to happen now. Situation 1. A very important situation in my life that started a while ago and continues to happen is my study to say my psychology career that started a few years ago and I hope to finish in it the other year. And another situation that is not happening now is my work that started a few months ago but I am unemployment. Situation 2. Do the same with two situations which occurred to another person. Tell about what happened to your mother or father, a friend, a sibling, or relative. Situation 2. A situation that happened a few days ago is that my parents are happy and enjoying the whole age, and for that reason they are on holiday knowing the country. Situation 3. Do the same with two situations which occurred to the other people that are about happening to a group of or people like your classmates, your friends, etc. This situation is a very nice sign. It is about when I was studying with my friends at the school, and now I talk to some of them and they tell me that they continue with their studies and expect to graduate like me the other year. Thanks for your attention.